Welcome to the first fashion outlet center in the Netherlands. The outlet is named after the ship Batavia from 1628. Batavia Stad Fashion Outlet is a factory outlet center located in Lelystad, Netherlands.
We are in Fashion Cafe waiting for our order. It's cute, right?
The shop looks nice, but their offer is not interesting. The
Kibbeling.
prices are still quite expensive. We only bought our favorite candles from Woodwick.
Where? Which one?
People use it. Everybody now, when I was young, everybody bought the wedding rings from this shop.
There. There's no other shop.
No. There's other shop, but it was almost automatic if you go there. People even naar omkomen.
Huh? Kagaya Napoli.
Zie de winkel er veranderen mee.
Yeah, I know. Never mind.
Oh, het is een shop. It's not Sarah, but it's
Not Lassie. Something with C, right?
yeah, see.
I thought it's body shop. It's society shop.
Oh, that used a barcode, but a color barcode. Dat was waar. All my clothes were
Helly enhanced.
Bosch suits.
Healthy kitchen. You wanna see if they have your size? Boss. Yeah, you wanna see? They have. There it is. In gold we trust. I like that one.
The real factory is in Limburg. It's very far away.
We go inside the Villaroy. Look at that.
Christmas.
Timberland. That's for the shoes, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm talking about Birkenstock. I like the slipper there.
Good stuff. Pardon. Then you get to the harbor.
Another toilet. You want to go inside the Le Creuset? Okay. Haribo. It's raining again. Muchacho malo.
Muchacho malo.
Look at that, so sexy. Replay. It's quite big, huh? It's until there. There's a Laplace over there.
Seems to be only for street food.
So far, what we have seen is crazy expensive. Oh, we can go to Lacoste. But I saw the price of Michael Kors in their advertisement. It was not that bad.
Where's Michael Kors?
I don't know. I don't see it yet.
Is that rain? Armani, Michael Kors. Did I tell you that there was a shop in, they belong to the same company, Vrouw en Dreesman,
Ja.
Batavia Stad, in Utrecht, in the shopping center. Batavia Stad was not allowed. This is the best shoemaker in the world. I'm not saying
Is it? This one.
so.
Yeah, we should go there. We can ask them how to fix our broken Swarovski.
Maybe they sell this. Why are people queuing here?
It's for the, I don't know, clothing maybe.
Fossil. It's watches. Why you give away the old one? Bring the thing old one.
Sasha is here.
Huh?
Sasha.
Where
Here,
is that?
Sasha. You didn't realize we have been walking quite a lot already. Coffee and kitchen.
Yeah. Let's see if they have to.
Fashion factory.
Handjes naar je fiets. Now we're talking. And you can sit outside.
Marco Polo. It's like a newspaper. Here.
That's the footwear cultivar.
Candle.
Oh, where?
Huh?
Where?
That one?
Dan baal je toch, dan ben je toch erg boos op de elektriciteit. You see how many people. Yeah, well, if you can't
If you can't what?
break it, then you can bust it.
Guess what? Guess what? I saw a guess.
So guess what? Right?
Did we enter here?
No, we entered there.
Salsa shop. You want there?
Oh, you want eat? No, I don't want salsa shop.
Samsonite. Don't buy that one anymore. Adidas, Skechers.
Yeah, you can check.
Watch station, Mako, you wanna? It's mix. try them.
Yeah, that's nice underwear.